Yo, what's up guys? In today's video I'm gonna be fixing one of your beats. If you want me to work on your beat next, please send it to trinitytunezsa@gmail.com. You might get a chance to be featured on our next video. And shout out to these people on the screen right now for commenting. If you want to shout out, leave a comment as well. Let's get into the video. So now let's locate the project we want to work on. Anyone knows a shortcut on how to close everything at once? Because this is just a lot of work. Now let's listen to the beat for the first time. Okay, this sounds like it's gonna be a lot of work, but okay, let's get into it. First things first, let's just split everything up. Let's start with this one. It's a good chord progression, but let me try to work with it. Okay, let me try to play with it. Okay, it's not a chord. Let's do a chord. I'm gonna work with. Now let's work with G. Now, let's do something that repeats. Something like that. So one thing I want to do as well is remove the delay. How do I remove a delay on this thing? I think it's here. Here it is. Let's change the key as well. Let's go with D. Now that's something. Then let's go to the following one. Let's copy this one and place it in here. I'm going with this. Then this one.
Trinity, you are God.
I'm gonna take this out entirely. Delete. Let's go to our channel. Nothing VidIQ here, but okay. Now I'm gonna change this one as well. Delete this, change this. By the way, you can get this drum kit. Link in the description. want to add next is the 808. So with the 808, what I normally do, just copy this and find a thing called sampler, then paste this here, then take this up, copy the kick, copy the kick, paste it inside the 808, then do our 808. Because I don't want the 808 repeating the same pattern, I'm gonna do it on a different pattern and duplicate it like this. Then play with some slides.
Trinity, you are God.
Let's play the melody. So now I'm just gonna do hi-hat rolls. Basically that's the beat. So now what I'm going to do is add some elements just to make it a little bit more interesting. Now I want one shots. By the way, one shots are great for making beats, especially if you don't have a powerful CPU, then one shots are the way to go. This is basically the beat, so what's left for me to do is arrange it, but I'm not gonna do that. So here's the beat. Yeah guys, thank you for watching, and if you want the drum kit that I used, the link is in the description. And also if you watched until this far, please like, leave a comment on what you want me to do next. And yeah, thank you for watching guys. Till next time, peace.